As the years go by, certain changes in the male body become inevitable. Prostate, a small gland that is often overlooked, begins to behave differently. What many do not know is that something as simple and natural as masturbation can trigger transformations in this region overnight. Every man experiences this, and understanding what happens can be the key to avoiding future discomforts. If you have ever felt heaviness in the pelvic area, some difficulty urinating, or simply want to know how to keep this part of the body functioning at its best, this video can make a difference. The solution does not require expensive medications or drastic changes. The body itself has mechanisms to keep the prostate healthy, but it is essential to know how to use them to your advantage. In this video, you will understand how this natural process directly affects your prostate and how small actions can influence your well-being in the long run. If you want more control over your health, keep watching because what comes next may be more important than you think. Before continuing, check if you are already subscribed to the channel to follow more content on health and sexual education. If this video has provided valuable information, give it a like so more people can access it. I want to hear your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you approve of the topic or 0 if you have suggestions to improve the content. Your participation makes all the difference. Blood circulation works like a delivery system that transports oxygen and nutrients to all the body's cells. When it functions well, tissues regenerate more efficiently, and this includes the prostate. Problem is that, over the years, circulation can become less efficient, especially in the pelvic region. This means the prostate receives less oxygen, fewer nutrients, and, as a result, has more difficulty staying healthy. Now, think of a house that needs renovations. The materials are available, the workers are ready, but the truck carrying the bricks and cement takes too long to arrive. Without proper transportation, the repairs slow down. The same happens with the prostate when blood circulation is not at its best. It needs a constant flow of blood to remain active and resilient, preventing issues like inflammation and dysfunctions. This is where masturbation comes in. During this activity, the heart beats faster and circulation in the pelvic region increases. This improves the transport of oxygen and essential substances to the prostate, promoting cell renewal. This increase in blood flow also helps eliminate metabolic waste that can accumulate in the tissues and hinder their function. Another important point is that this improvement in circulation does not happen only during masturbation. With regular practice, the body tends to maintain more efficient circulation over time, reducing the risk of prostate problems. It is a natural mechanism of the body that can be a great ally for male health without requiring extra effort or drastic lifestyle changes. Do you want to strengthen your sex life and improve intimacy in your relationship? In my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy: Healthy Sexuality After 60, you will find practical guidance to reignite desire, overcome physical and emotional challenges, and experience greater satisfaction. Click the link in the first pinned comment and discover how to transform your love life. Prostate is a small gland, but it can cause significant discomfort when inflamed. This happens when prostatic fluids are not eliminated frequently enough, leading to an accumulation that can irritate tissues and trigger an inflammatory response. This process can cause discomfort and even impact urinary function, a problem many men experience over time. The human body has natural ways to prevent this kind of issue, and one of them is regular ejaculation. During this process, the prostate releases accumulated secretions, preventing fluids from remaining stagnant for too long. When this release happens consistently, the risk of inflammation decreases, as there is no excessive accumulation that could cause irritation. Moreover, prostate inflammation can be worsened by stress. Excess emotional tension can stimulate the production of inflammatory hormones that affect the entire body, including the prostate. In this sense, masturbation can also indirectly contribute to prostate health, as it reduces stress and promotes a state of relaxation that helps maintain overall balance in the body. It is important to note that this does not replace the need for healthy habits, such as a balanced diet and proper hydration. However, regular masturbation can be one of the factors that help keep the prostate in a more comfortable state, reducing the chances of inflammation that impact men's quality of life. The male body functions like an orchestra, where hormones are the musicians responsible for maintaining harmony. Among them, testosterone, cortisol, and endorphins play essential roles in health and well-being. However, as the years pass, hormone levels can become more unstable, affecting everything from mood to prostate function. During masturbation, a release of hormones occurs that helps regulate this system. One of the main ones is endorphin, known as the body's natural pain reliever. This substance relieves tension, improves mood, and reduces stress. Another hormone released is oxytocin, which creates a sense of relaxation and emotional connection, which can be beneficial for men dealing with anxiety or daily concerns. Additionally, testosterone regulation also deserves attention. This hormone plays a fundamental role in maintaining male health, influencing everything from energy levels to sexual function. Contrary to some popular beliefs, masturbation does not deplete testosterone levels. On the contrary, when practiced in moderation, it can contribute to better hormonal balance, helping to avoid sudden peaks and drops. The combined effect of these hormones directly impacts the prostate. A stable hormonal environment reduces the likelihood of inflammatory processes and keeps bodily functions in order. It is a natural mechanism that benefits not only prostate health but also overall well-being, allowing men to feel more energetic and balanced in their daily lives. Prostate is a gland that produces essential secretions for male reproductive health. However, when these secretions are not eliminated regularly, they can accumulate inside the gland, leading to a condition known as prostate congestion. This buildup can cause an increase in prostate volume, discomfort in the pelvic region, and even interfere with urination, symptoms that many men begin to notice as they age. The body has mechanisms to prevent this problem, and one of them is the regular release of prostatic fluids. When long periods go by without this release, the gland can become more susceptible to inflammation and conditions such as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which can make urination difficult and lead to frequent trips to the bathroom. Masturbation plays an interesting role in this context. By stimulating ejaculation, the body takes care of emptying the prostate, keeping the ducts free of accumulated secretions. This process can be compared to preventive maintenance, like cleaning a filter that needs to remain unclogged to function properly. Additionally, prostate congestion can create a sensation of heaviness in the pelvic region, affecting daily well-being. Releasing these fluids helps reduce internal pressure, providing greater comfort and preventing future complications. It is a simple and natural care practice that can help keep the prostate functioning at its best over the years. Prostate is not an isolated part of the body. It is part of a complex system where various factors influence its health and function. When properly cared for, it works efficiently without causing discomfort or complications. However, with aging, some changes can affect its functionality, making it more prone to inflammation, enlargement, and urinary difficulties. Masturbation, when practiced in moderation, can act as a maintenance factor for this gland. One of the most relevant effects is the activation of the muscles surrounding the prostate. During ejaculation, there is a rhythmic contraction of the pelvic muscles, which helps keep these tissues strong. This muscle stimulation contributes to the efficient expulsion of fluids produced by the prostate, preventing accumulations that could cause discomfort. Another important point is masturbation's influence on the elasticity of prostate tissues. Over time, a lack of activity can lead to a natural stiffening of the prostate, making its function more difficult. Regular secretion release helps keep the gland more active and adaptable to aging. Furthermore, the connection between prostate health and quality of life cannot be ignored. Men who maintain healthy habits, including good blood circulation and stable hormonal balance, tend to experience fewer prostate issues over the years. In this sense, masturbation can be one of the factors that help preserve overall prostate function, making the aging process more comfortable and with fewer negative impacts. Anything done in excess can have consequences, and masturbation is no exception. While it has benefits for male health, when practiced excessively, it can cause some side effects that affect both the body and the mind. One of the most common is irritation of the skin in the genital area. Constant friction can lead to temporary sensitivity, causing redness or discomfort, especially if there is inadequate lubrication. Another effect that may go unnoticed is fatigue. The body expends energy during ejaculation, and when this happens too frequently, it can cause tiredness and even a temporary drop in motivation levels. This occurs because right after ejaculation, the body releases prolactin, a hormone that reduces arousal and can create a deep sense of relaxation, which for some may translate into drowsiness or slight lack of energy. Beyond physical effects, excessive masturbation can also interfere with daily routines. If it becomes a compulsive habit, it can distract from other important activities such as work, exercise, and social interactions. Maintaining balance is essential to ensure that this practice remains beneficial and does not interfere with quality of life. Finally, it is important to remember that one's relationship with sexuality should be healthy. If any emotional discomfort arises, such as guilt or anxiety after engaging in the practice, it may be a sign that it is necessary to reassess the frequency or seek professional guidance. As with everything in life, moderation and balance are key. Prostate health does not depend on a single isolated action, but rather on a combination of habits that work together to keep this gland functioning well over the years. While masturbation can be a natural tool for stimulating circulation, reducing inflammation, and preventing fluid buildup, it should be part of a balanced lifestyle that includes other equally important factors. Diet, for example, has a direct impact on prostate health. Consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as tomatoes and broccoli, can help reduce inflammation and protect prostate cells from damage. Hydration is also essential, as drinking water regularly helps eliminate toxins from the body and prevents prostatic secretions from becoming too thick. Regular physical exercise also plays a crucial role. Activities such as walking, moderate cycling, and pelvic floor exercises help maintain active circulation and strengthen the muscles that support the prostate. Additionally, maintaining a healthy weight reduces excessive production of inflammatory hormones, which can affect the prostate over time. Another essential aspect is medical checkups. Getting regular exams and maintaining open communication with a healthcare professional allows for the early detection of any changes in the prostate, ensuring more effective treatment if needed. Maintaining a balanced routine does not mean giving up natural pleasures, but rather understanding that small daily actions can make a big difference in long-term male health. Taking care of the prostate is an essential step in maintaining quality of life as the years go by. Small habits make a big difference, and now you know how masturbation can influence the health of this gland by improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and keeping its function balanced. If you've made it this far, I want to hear your opinion. Have you ever considered the connection between ejaculation and preventing prostate congestion? Leave your comment. Your participation is very important. Don't forget to like this video. Your support helps bring this information to more men who need to take care of their health but often do not find clear content on the subject. If you want to deepen your knowledge about male health, check out the other videos on the channel. There are detailed discussions about the prostate, sexual well-being, and quality of life. Take the opportunity to subscribe and activate notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos.